there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and broker of Maiga Homes. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week and you don't want to miss anything. Today's topic is an important one, something that impacts every single homeowner, regardless of location. And that is how to calculate your property taxes. So let's get started. Before we discuss how to calculate property tax, I think we first need to take a step back and determine what property tax actually is. Simply put, property tax is an amount of money that a government charges a homeowner in proportion to the property's determined value. In other words, homeowners are required by law to pay the government an amount of money based on the value of their homes. So how is that value determined? It's called taxable value. Taxable value is determined by a property's assessed value. In Michigan, homes are assessed at a rate of 50% of their true cash value. That's the taxable value. When you multiply the taxable value by the local millage rate, you get your tax liability. So here's the equation. Taxable value times millage rate equals tax due, which leads us to another question. What is a millage rate? Well, a mill is 1/10 of a cent. Another way to think of it is $1 for every $1,000. Here's an example. A home's true cash value is $200,000 in an area where the local millage rate is 64 mils. So you take $200,000, multiply by 50% and get $100,000. That's your taxable value. Then you multiply $100,000 by 0.064, that's $6,400, times your millage rate. This homeowner will owe $6,400 in property taxes to the government. And the state of Michigan levies a statewide tax of 6 mils, and additional rates are set by local government tax authorities. A few other things to know about property taxes in Michigan. Property taxes are paid annually. Delinquent non-payment of property taxes may result in the government seizing that property in order to cover the taxes. Yes, non-payment of property taxes could mean losing your property. Understanding property tax is super important. The 2021 millage rate for Canton, if your property is located within the Plymouth-Canton Community School District, is 39.86 for homesteaded properties. On a quick side note, for more information on PCCS schools and also homesteading and how it affects your property taxes by up to 50% in Michigan, check out my Best of Canton series for more information on those topics. Now, the Michigan Department of Treasury has a very handy property tax and millage rate estimator on its website. For more information, you can find that here. You'll need to know the assessed value of your property. Remember that it's 50% of the true cash value of the property, the county where your property is located, and the assigned school district in order to use it. If you're looking exclusively in Canton, the township also has a property tax calculator on their website, which you can use as well. You can find that link here. In order to use the Canton tax calculator, you'll need to have the following information handy. The tax period. Canton has different tax rates for summer versus winter. The school district, whether it's Plymouth-Canton Community Schools, Wayne Westland, or Van Buren. The taxable value of the property, which is 50% of the true cash value. In many, many years in real estate, I've found that calculating property tax can be one of the more complicated questions that my clients have. Questions in this area are inevitable. Property tax can be a complicated matter and isn't always easy to understand. And while I've tried to simplify a difficult concept in today's video, I would still highly recommend that you reach out to me with any questions that you have or anything you need a referral for, whether it's real estate or otherwise. In addition, if I'm unable to personally service your area, not only am I happy to help on this topic, but I believe that it's just too important to get wrong, and I can help in other areas as well. I hope that I've given you a lot to think about and that you learned a lot from today's episode. Please subscribe to my channel today, as I'll be releasing new videos every week. And tune in to next week's episode, What is a Homestead Exemption? As always, if you think you may want to make a move in the next year, give me a call and set up a consultation today, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. And don't worry, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I'm well connected and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. You can also subscribe to my channel and check out my other series on relocation, selling a home, buying a home, new construction, downsizing, buying and selling simultaneously, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.